Ang umiibig, nakikinig. I heard this from a priest yesterday during his homily. At napatigil ako. Umiibig nga ba talaga ako? Nakikinig nga ba talaga ako? When you're in a relationship, madalas yung away ay tungkol sa misunderstandings. Bakit nagkakaroon ng misunderstanding? Kasi hindi talaga nakikinig. Often we listen to reply, pero bihira yung we listen to understand. Pag naintindihan mo yan, ibig sabihin nakinig ka ng maayos. And how do we show that we're listening? Una, yung hindi natin ini-interrupt yung mga sinasabi nila. Second, pwede mong i-rephrase yung kanilang sinabi kung tama ba ang pagkaintindi mo. Third, you build on the idea of the one talking to you. And once they feel you understand them, they will also be ready to listen to you. Whether it's in a relationship, whether it's at work, whether it's with family. If you love, you listen. At ganun din sa ating relationship with God. Tayo ba ay salita lang ng salita? Hingi lang ng hingi? Kailan ba tayo talagang nakinig sa Kanya? Kaya take time to listen to God. Take time to ponder on His Word. Allow your surroundings, allow nature, allow the people around you to be used by God to speak to you. Because God is everywhere. God is in all things. At alam mo, mahal na mahal ka ng Diyos kasi parati Kanyang pinapakinggan. And it's our time to respond to Him by also listening to Him. Kaya kung tunay kang umiibig, ika'y nakikinig.